after the Delhi Lieutenant Governor has written to the Chief Secretary expressing concern over the reported non-consumption of the prescribed diet by the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. The Aam Aadmi Party has now claimed that Arvind Kejriwal's sugar level has dropped below 50 more than 8 times and that he may even slip into a coma. The Aam Aadmi Party has mounted an attack against the Bharatiya Janata Party, claiming that the BJP is plotting to kill the Delhi Chief Minister. Meanwhile, the Bharatiya Janata Party has hit back at the Aam Aadmi Party. Let's listen in to what Harish Khurana has to say.
दिल्ली में आम आदमी पार्टी को लगता है कि उनके साथ वेंडेटा पॉलिटिक्स हो रही है, लेकिन सच ये है कि उनको बेचारा पॉलिटिक्स खेलने की आदत हो गई है। 3 महीने पहले भी अरविंद केजरीवाल की सेहत को लेकर जिस प्रकार से राजनीति खेली गई थी, वो दिल्ली और दुनिया के सामने सच आ चुका है कि किस प्रकार से जो ये प्रपंच रचा गया था वो अरविंद केजरीवाल के लोगों ने ही रचा था। अब एक बार फिर जब उनकी शुगर लेवल, जो एलेज शुगर लेवल है कि 50 से नीचे जा रही है, ये एक सीरियस मामला है जिस प्रकार से अपने आप को बेचारा दिखाने की कोशिश है। मैं एक सवाल पूछना चाहूंगा संजय सिंह और उनकी पार्टी के लोगों से, दिल्ली के तिहाड़ जेल किसके अंडर में आती है? जवाब है अरविंद केजरीवाल के दिल्ली प्रशासन के, यानी कि जो सीधा सीधा जो जिम्मेवार है वो दिल्ली का प्रशासन जो है अरविंद केजरीवाल के पास है। और जो खाना आ रहा है, जो आप कह रहे हो कि खाना नहीं दिया जा रहा है या खाना के डाइट ऐसी है जो उनसे उनका शुगर लेवल गिरा रही है, जो खाना ऐसा है, खाना कहाँ से आ रहा है? वो अरविंद केजरीवाल के घर से आ रहा है। तो अगर कहीं कुछ साजिश रची जा रही है तो अरविंद केजरीवाल साहब वो तो आपके यहाँ पे
All right, there, of course, we've heard Harish Khurana speak out, slam the Aam Aadmi Party. He claims that the Aam Aadmi Party is engaging in vendetta politics and they are blaming the BJP and cooking up a conspiracy with regards to this matter. My colleague Shubh Rana joins us on the broadcast with more details. Shubh, it seems that the war of words over Arvind Kejriwal's health continues to escalate.
Yes, definitely, Pia. And this is not the first time when the war of words have been escalated between Aam Aadmi Party and the Bharatiya Janata Party. And this time, the matter has been again the health of Arvind Kejriwal. And in the letter written by the Delhi LG, it has been mentioning that Kejriwal restoring to wishful low-calorie intake in the jail. And again, Bharatiya Janata Party have slammed the Aam Aadmi Party, where they have been saying that the Tihar jail have been under Aam Aadmi Party control. Then why they have been making issue out of it, and they have been saying because previously the war was of insulin, then weight loss, and now again the war has been revolving around Arvind Kejriwal's health, where they have been alleging that Arvind Kejriwal have been taking a low-calorie diet just to come out of the jail. Wherever, if we talk about Aam Aadmi Party's stand on the matter, Atishi have been continuously saying that it is a new plot to kill CM Arvind Kejriwal inside the jail authorities, and it has been 8 times when Arvind Kejriwal's sugar level have dropped beyond the level of 50, which have been very alarming, and coma-like situation can also happen to the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. And this time also again, war of words have been escalated. But it is important to note that Arvind Kejriwal is behind the jail. The matter is still in the court. So till the next hearing, we would wait for more updates in this matter. But Delhi LG VK Saxena has alleged that Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who is lost in Tihar jail under judicial custody, may deliberately not be taking medical diet and medicines prescribed to him in this matter. Yes, but
for more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.